Welcome to Mozambique. We are currently on Inhaca Island. Good, bright and beautiful morning from Santa Maria, Mozambique.
Good morning.
This is where we slept. Quick room tour.
Even though it's
Outside shower is amazing. And we're on a slice of paradise in the world. Let's go see the others.
So what is it, guys? Happy birthday.
Good morning. Happy birthday.
Thank you. We are going on a boat trip. We're going to go island hopping around Mozambique, well around whatever island this is, Santa Maria. Where are we now, Richie? I don't know.
Santa Maria.
We're gonna go island hopping, we're gonna go to the market, we're gonna go snorkeling, we're gonna go to the lighthouse. That's all the stonkies I've picked up.
Yep.
Very last minute spontaneous mission.
Morning, Mario.
Okay, do you want me to take the bag?
Like, you've got to think of activities to do and not do any activities.
That is the beach house. This is what the beach house looks like in the morning. So calm and peaceful.
Went to the Inhaca village.
Yeah.
You can do shopping there. You can see someone climbing to the coconut trees to get the coconut juice.
For us.
And you can went to the restaurants.
Perfect.
You can eat the seafood from fresh coming from Inhaca Island. Yes.
Perfecto.
Then we come back.
Sounds fantastic.
It's your birthday! It's your birthday!
Okay. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you! Keep singing! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday!
We're missing anybody now. We've just arrived at an island.
Because this bag is heavy.
She's such a damsel and she's always in distress.
Not good at doing.
Welcome to one of Mozambique's islands. Still have to discover the name. Let's go find out. Come on. Look at this beautiful place. Mozambique, Inhaca. I think we just arrived in Inhaca. I don't know if I'm saying that right. But we arrived on this island after about an hour boat ride. Look how beautiful this is. This lodge has been closed, but it was the biggest lodge on the island.
Oh, this is everything.
We are lost.
There's palms, there's shops. It is a restaurant.
They went to restaurant Lucas, I'm guessing.
Let's do it.
Because it says restaurant on it.
Yeah.
Hello.
Where's everybody? Hello.
One here.
Did we come here? No, where's everyone?
I guess it's restaurant Lucas.
Oh, but isn't that restaurant Lucas?
Yeah.
Are they there?
That's my guess.
Yes, I
Look at
saw
this
them.
cool
I
place.
saw them. First thing we do is we sit down and eat. So we're hungry. We'll go shopping later.
This is restaurant Lucas. What Inhaca? What's this island called?
Inhaca.
Inhaca Island.
Hello.
Hello. Thank you. We're at the fruit market right now.
Okay, so 6 rand each is fine.
It's the market. Hello. They're better.
Yeah. Can I do this?
Just exploring the island.
Do you want to go see?
I was like, Sometimes the president is wanna come to visit here at Island.
Yeah.
The first people to make organize everything is stay here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the shop? Okay.
Building that here says.
This is the pick and pay.
Yeah, I think so in the island.
You just want chocolate, eh?
Yeah.
Oh wow, we got all the alcohol. Where's the Corona?
Corona, I think it's finished, but I think we got some one pack.
Coffee, it's like red coffee paste.
You just took those photos now. These are the coconut. No, I mean like here.
Yeah.
Those are coconuts.
What do we have here?
Well, you have already started.
What did you guys order?
Planet for two.
You know what?
So we got jellyfish, we have calamari, prawns and fish.
Atrocious.
Chips and rice as well.
To eat this one.
Fresh fish,
You got the legs, eh?
chicken. Going to the lighthouse?
Lighthouse.
I like how you just stand here with the That is amazing.
Are you chilling there?
Yes, patron, why not?
Patron.
Is it on?
The nice defender here.
I like how we're just carrying this thing around when we go travel. This is the most classic thing ever. My birthday!
Whose birthday?
Like they all just got off the dance floor, remember?
That's because they don't know the song. Everyone just Make that money, throw it. Over here you will see a mangrove. Very fascinating plant. And on the left hand side you'll see another mangrove. You got more hair on your head. Engine number 9.
New York Transit line. If my train goes off the track, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
Let's go! Let's go! Had to pay if you fucking with
She had a baby by Buster. My best friend said she used to fuck with Usher.
She went to make a burn this shit up. DPG, can turn that shit up. CPT, LBC, yeah, we looking like that.
Mind your
CPT, king up the beach, you ride to him in your fleet.
Yeah, okay, so. Whoop, nigga, what?
Hold up.
Hey.
I am getting so hot, I wanna take my clothes off.
There's palm trees everywhere. Look at the palm trees.
I'm very happy you came along today.
In South Africa, we there.
Bitch, where you and I was walking. Now when the game got the whole world talking. King Kunta, everybody wanna cut the legs off. When you got the yams.
What's the name?
Bitch, where you and I was walking. Now when the game got the whole world talking. King Kunta, everybody wanna cut the legs off. King Kunta, black man taking no loss. Oh yeah. Bitch, where you and I was walking. Now when the game got the whole world talking. King Kunta, everybody wanna cut the legs off. When you got the yams. It's the aim issue. Probably blame you. If I owe you, I'm blowing you. The smithereens. Cocksucker, take one for your team. I have been what you want me to be. Feeling so faithless. Lost under the surface.
Having fun?
Yeah. Are you?
Don't know what to expect. The ones we heard are you and me. in my zone.
It's so dense here. Full of nature.
We're in a 4x4.
It's a great car. Fantastic ride. This is the lighthouse of Inhaca Island. Look at that. Awesome. Look at this place, Mozambique. We are on top of the hill by the lighthouse. I don't know why he has to say that, but it's kind of funny. Let's go see what's in here. Not much. It's quite a property tour. The window, the roof is falling in. Beautiful space on top of the hill. Look at the ocean. Sure.
Let's go get some coconuts.
We're gonna go coconut hunting.
Good day, mate. Oh, I'm fucking hungry, eh?
What's your name? Oh, there's piglets.
Oh, there's little babies.
There's little babies.
It's a pig! Oh, my family!
Yes.
There's no piggy!
Are you climbing this thing?
Yes. I did that.
I want 12, please.
So I'm doing that job. It's passing like 6 years. The job about coconut tree. You see, come on. Now I'm going up.
Holy shit. That is very hard.
Now, here's the coconut here. I want to keep down. Yeah. Yes.
Look at him all the way up there.
I also want to go up there.
Can you?
I'll try.
Look at him, he's right in the bush. Oh, oh my gosh. If that falls on your head, you are finished. Oh, oh boy. Shotgun. Yeah, yeah, you did, eh?
Chat. Manga, chat.
Can we get 5 more?
Come down.
I'm joking.
Okay. What's that? Okay, wait there.
Wait there.
Yes, that's my man. Thank you. Mana ngo no.
Okay.
What's his fucking old phone here?
That's a good one.
Local people come make the coconut and do.
How much you must pay for the coffee?
It's 1,000 rand. Yeah. 1,000 rand.